Sometimes you don't realize how much time you're wasting jumping between random tutorials until you step back and notice that nothing is structured, nothing is connected, and your learning feels scattered. That's where Coursiv.io starts to make sense, positioning itself as a focused online learning platform designed to organize knowledge into clear, guided pathways. Instead of endlessly searching for separate videos or articles, the platform brings courses together in a way that feels intentional, helping learners move from beginner concepts to more advanced material without losing direction. One of the strengths of Coursiv.io lies in its structured format, because each course is divided into manageable sections that prevent overwhelm. Lessons may include video content, written explanations, quizzes, or downloadable resources, and this combination helps reinforce learning through multiple formats. As you complete modules, progress tracking allows you to see how far you've come, which naturally motivates consistency. Rather than feeling lost in an endless library of content, you follow a curated path designed to guide you step by step. Additionally, Coursiv.io often focuses on in-demand skills such as technology, business, productivity, or creative disciplines, making it relevant for both students and working professionals. Another notable aspect is community interaction, if available, where learners can discuss topics, ask questions, or share insights. Engaging with others pursuing similar goals can enhance understanding and provide additional perspectives. However, like any online platform, the real value depends on consistent effort, because even the most well-designed course cannot replace dedication and practice. Pricing structures may vary depending on subscription models or individual course purchases, so reviewing available plans before committing is important. Some platforms offer trial access or preview lessons, which can help you determine whether the teaching style matches your expectations. By combining accessibility, organization, and practical content, Coursiv.io aims to simplify the path towards skill development. And sometimes, the difference between wanting to learn and actually progressing comes down to having a clear roadmap in front of you, because when each lesson connects logically to the next, the journey forward feels less confusing and more like a steady climb that continues quietly long after you close the screen. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.